and tranquility after a long month from slavery. Excuse me, lady, which side is the fork and the knife? Oh, thank you. Now I got a family. But you know, I decide I work so hard for my money. I might as well treat myself, you know. And first eat my money up. Because I got 8 fritters there by the house. But Benton is there, he sort for them out. And I sort my tummy out. What my pain. Para laatste mensen lekker strawberry. So lekker. Na lang maand van week. Excuse me, waiter. Can you bring for me a little bit of champagne, please? I'm celebrating me tonight. And I thank you. There you come. Thank you. Thank you very much. No, I'm quite fine, thank you. I don't need company. Peace and tranquility. I'm enjoying my salary. Oh, that's good for you. Now I'm a cleaner. I'm spoiling myself. Now I pay enough to eat biltong, my darling. Don't you worry. Mense net soms self net so spoil, man. Mense staan vroeg op. Waiter, bring for me lekker olive and dinges asseblief. You stand up early, my darling. You go to work. You late for the work. You free the basil. Dinges staan. When you think about you, is my moment tonight. I think about me, baby. Wat the hell? Hello, Susie.